Hello guys, it's Rafał Zuchowicz here. I hope you got a great trading week, or actually great 2 weeks of trading gold. In the last video I told you about my prediction of the gold falling 650 pips, and after exactly 2 weeks that's what happened. So I hope you all took advantage of my chart analysis. Let's have a quick recap. And today I have for you 2,500 pips prediction. So stay with me. So what we've noticed the other time, that there was a support here. We got sort of a channel that there was a breakout, retest, price went up. Then we got the consolidation here. So what I did, I just measured 168 prediction FIBO, and I've noticed that on a daily candles the price reacted perfectly at 127, 161.8. So then I made a video 2 weeks ago at this point telling you that the price might fall into this area. So around 650 50 pips, and that's what exactly happened. 600, we are 600 pips lower at this point. And now I want to tell you about the bigger picture. On a weekly chart, we've got a formation called bearish crab. I don't know if you're familiar with the crab formation. There is a bearish and bullish crab. Depends if you are selling or buying. This will be a bearish crab, but I'm just predicting that this formation will happen, and I'm buying instead of selling at the moment. So we will be selling later on. So let's have a look at the weekly chart, and we have this fall over here. So I will explain to you what's bearish crab on this example. So we have a first, maybe let's change the color. It's not a very nice one, is it? Maybe this one. Ugh. Not nice either. Much better. Okay, let's stay with this nice blue. So we've got the first formation. We call it X. So that would be X, XA, XA, B. That's our B, XAB. And now we are looking for B, C, and D. So let's take our triangle. And around this level. So we've got B, C, and D. So that's our bearish crab pattern. And how is it measured? You take this arm XA, take the FIBO, and the rebounds needs to be up to 61.8 area, which we have up to 61.8. So we are good. So we can already search for the crab pattern once we have this, and then this drop needs to be between 38.2 to to 88.6. So that's what we have, 50%. So all goods. Delete. And the third arm, the CD, should be 161.8 projection of the XA, which will be okay at this level. So we've got 1530.54. So that's our projection. So what you would usually do, you would wait for the crab pattern to form, and you would be waiting to sell at this level. Of course, it's not only about the 161.8. This level needs to be at some key chart level as well. So you need to use the price action. And what we have on the left hand side, there is a beautiful support that the price bounced off 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the previous support, as we know, is the new resistance. So this level will be our new resistance, plus it's 161.8, plus it's a crab pattern. So this is a very strong retracement point. And I don't want to wait up to this level. I want to get with the price into this level. Since we are on the weekly chart, the price will get there probably in a couple of months, maybe up to the end of the year. We'll see. I don't know. It's hard to tell when exactly. So yeah, let's see, where are we now and where are we going? Although I still think we will not go up from exactly this level. I'm predicting there will be a slight drop at least up to here. That's why I will measure from this point, and we have 2,500 pips. So that's my prediction, that the price will get there. And let's see where we are now and how to spot the good entry point. So we've got a couple of options. Let's delete. Actually, let's delete everything. Let's just stay with what we have. So at the moment, if we make Fibos, we have a couple of levels here. We've got 50%, which is nice. 38 was already broken. So we could be looking at the 50. Although I'm not the biggest fan of this level at the moment. It might happen, I'm not saying not. But what I like these two candles here, especially this one. So that was the candle of accumulation. So all these buyers, they were accumulating prices here. And I would like to see the price falling into 50% of this level, which actually happened. If we look on the weekly charts, so we are actually on this 50 level right now. But if we zoom in, let's do it. Let's zoom in a little bit further. We can see that we have a nice wedge pattern here. So the price dropped, formed this wedge, and the theory is that if the price gets into the wedge like that from the top, it should get out through the bottom. So we should drop here. So where I would see it falling is, we got previously this consolidation here, and I like to measure the Fibo extensions from the consolidations like that, and that will get us, that will get us to 261.8, so a little bit lower up to here, which is around this 50% of this accumulation candle. Plus, when we draw a Fibo from this level, what we get is 261.8 as well at the same point. So I'm predicting that price, let's just cancel. So that was our 50, which is close. This is nearby. So I'm not saying it won't fall this $5 lower. It might. Why not? But what I see here, I see this strong 261.8, and I think the price might, there's a big possibility the price might fall from here up to here, which is 120 pips, and then rally up. Of course, we still might see some consolidation, some accumulation, because come on, it's 2,500 pips up, so the big buyers, they need to load the boat before they let the price go so high, although they already loaded here, and now they want to load more because they've got a lot of money loaded. And another thing, there's another thing I wanted to show you. So we've got this pretty channel over here as well. Maybe not from there, it's more like that. Let's make it pretty. So we've got this channel that the price is respecting. We got already 1, 2, and third drop. So that could mean that this is the third drop and the price should go up now. But as long as I know the gold, it likes to spike down and take all the stop losses. So probably people would load the boat at this level, but then and put the stop losses here. So there might be a spike down. Maybe even on Sunday, the market might open with a gap to take all these orders and then go up. We will see what's gonna happen. And of course, guys, I'm not telling you to trade it. This is not any financial advice or anything. This is how I see the market. This is something I want to share with you. As a trader, as an analyst, I like technical trading, so I'm just sharing my knowledge with you. I hope that you are learning something from these videos. And I want to put my predictions into the live test. So I'm making this video like the previous one. I said it will fall up to this point. It happened. Was I lucky or was I knowledgeable? I leave it for you to judge. Now I'm saying there's a bearish crab pattern forming, and you can see my logic behind it. You can believe it or not, or you can just watch it, watch the market, keep this analysis in mind, and see if it will go there or not. let's have fun with it. And yeah, so again, we are buying up to 1,000. I'm buying up to 1,530 from here to here. Just remember, when you are placing orders, like in this instance, let's say you believe that the price will drop up to 1,285, so you don't place your order exactly at this level because you won't be filled. You need to place the order above this level, so you need to check your spread. If your spread is in this case it's 50 cents, so you need to place it minimum 50 cents above, so that would be 85.76. That's the minimum. My order is placed 1,287. I just want to make sure that it will be filled, so I don't care about this dollar because I'm going for $250. Yeah. So that's my prediction on gold. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Maybe you've got different observations. Maybe you think that the gold will fall further. Maybe you see something that I don't see on the charts. Just warn me. I don't want to be wrong. I want to make money. And I'm leaving below this video as well the link to the very good broker that I've been using for a while, something to recommend, because trustful broker is a gold. So if you are in need of a broker, please check this link. And good luck with trading. Take care. Bye.